going on YouTube? It is 31 degrees outside and it's cold, man. It's cold. Believe you me. I have a story today to tell you guys that our first true truck issue out here. And I hope you guys can hear me. So stay tuned if you want to know more. Why I had to pull over. What happened. How it's going. Stay tuned. Guys, so I'm using the backlight from the back of the truck, try to get as much lighting as possible. So just to give you guys a quick update on what happened, I'm not going to talk too long, this is going to be a short video. I just want to say again, I know I did a video about being in the snow and being prepared to be out here. So if you're not out here and prepared to do whatever it takes to get out of a situation, don't come out here. It's not going to be for you, okay? So, I'm driving along, and I end up getting a ACM diagnostic message on my display screen. I look at it, I see what it says, and it says I have an ATS problem system issue with a 4346 something. So, I don't know what that means. I have no clue what that means. So I reach out to my road assist. I'm told I need to get the truck pulled over. Not pull on the shoulder, which is common sense in the snow, and when you're expecting 2 to 4 inches of snow. That's not the smartest thing to do. So you get to a safe spot, pull over, let the truck cool off, and we'll go from there. Now, I am on a low, okay? So, driving, the closest truck stop is about 70 miles. I message road assist. Hey, can I make it to a truck stop 70 miles away, or is it something that I must find a rest stop or get over as soon as possible? I get a message back that says, stop truck immediately when safe to do so. Kind of contradicting. Immediately, but safe to do so. 70 miles is safe to me, but hey, you know. So, I find a truck stop, get into a truck stop. Now I gotta pull around the back. Now, I gotta remind you, it's 31 degrees outside. It's been raining, snow is falling. Ice is everywhere. Ice. So I see a truck parking spot. I'm backing up. My trailer starts to slide to the gentleman that's next to me. Right over there. So, good thing about using all your senses you have, when you're backing in and you know it's cold outside, you know there's ice somewhere, your eyes should be always moving like this. Always. So I saw that, I stopped immediately, got out, assessed the situation, saw that the trailer was getting close to this side, tried to move, drives on ice. Try to unlock my axle, the wheel spins separately, drives on ice. So, I don't have a shovel. Should I have a shovel? Maybe so. What I did have is a flathead screwdriver. So I got out the truck, went through all 4 drives, including my steers, started chipping away at ice. Chipping away. Chipping away. Okay? Chipped away at the ice. Hold on. It's cold out here. Hold on. Alright. So chipped away at the ice. Around all 4 tires. The truck slowly still rolled back, and when it finally hit the dry pavement that I chipped away, I was able to gain traction and pull forward, and then I was able to back into the spot. Now, I would say, was I nervous? Yeah. Did I think I was going to hit, that guy's truck? Yeah. Did I think about getting out and pushing the trailer? Yeah. Would have worked? No. But these are the things that come to mind. And you gotta be prepared, man. You gotta be mentally ready for out here, man. So, I should have recorded it, but at that time, you're not thinking about, oh, let me get out my phone. I'm worried about, oh, let me not hit this guy's truck. So, I must have been at least this much away from the guy's mirror, the door, everything. The guy gets out the truck, he's He's watching me standing by the truck, hands in his jacket, hoodie on, waiting. Older cat. So he's waiting for me to hit him. He's like, man, I wish this man would hit me. I wish he would. That's prime? Oh, hit me. But I'm not going to hit you, man. I'm not. I'm going to do what I got to do to get out of this situation. And that's what I did. So, I'm out of the situation. I pull forward. I back in. He's still standing outside. Now tell me why. He took a flashlight. Started looking at his door up and down, and the driver's side mirror up and down, left to right, open the door, closing the door, checking the hatches, checking the latch, checking the door handle, rubbing the mirror, see there any marks on it. Seriously? Seriously? But anyway, so then he finally comes around to my driver's side, and I get out the truck. He says, whoa, buddy. That was pretty close there. Must have had eyes in the back of your head or something. Yeah, I do. It's called pay attention so you don't mess around and hit nothing out here. That's what it's called. GOAL. Get out and look. If you're not doing it, go do it. Y'all stop sleeping out here, man. It's cold. I am not going to talk a whole bunch of stories. Just know it's cold. It's cold, man. It's cold. Couldn't find my Scotty, so I'm bald headed in the cold. It's cold, man. So, just what I'm working with real quick. Show you guys real quick. This is what I'm working with. This is all the ice that's on the floor. You guys can see, I'm walking away real quick. And all this is the section I was stuck in. If you guys can see, and if you can look, this is the mark right here. I started chipping away at right here. Made a patch there, made one there, 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 there. The point is, you do what you got to do out here, man, and you want to make sure you don't hit nobody, and you want to be as safe as possible. Whew, no lighting. Oh well. So, yes, I know. I'm black. Thank you. So, that's the gentleman truck there. And again, he came out looking at every angle. I mean, everything. Everything. Wanted to make sure I ain't hit him. I'm not about to hit him. I don't want to hit him, and I'm not going to hit him. Okay? As you can see, ice still right there. So man, just come out here. You're willing to do what it takes. Do what you got to do to get it done. That's about it. So until next time, you guys be safe. Travel when you know what you can't handle. Don't do what you can't do. And everyone, man, each one teach one. Woo. Each one teach one. Y'all be safe. Stop sleeping. Wake up. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all stay tuned.